A wildfire that prompted evacuations in parts of Nevada County, including the town of Washington, might have been caused by a lightning strike, officials said. Those evacuation orders and warnings will remain in place at least through Wednesday night. The highway fire started near Washington Road and Highway 20 around 2:35 p.m. according to the Tahoe National Forest Service. The fire has burned 25 acres. Earlier information sent out by officials said the fire was anywhere between 30 to 40 acres.